ELODYS is born out of the combination of French and Canadian expertise in the optimization of the water and energy cycle in industry. ELODYS contributes to your plant's high industrial efficiency by developing breakthrough technologies and a know-how at the core of cleaning processes. How does ELODYS tackle your cleaning operations challenges? Cleaning efficiency depends on 4 parameters: chemistry, fluids mechanic, temperature and time. Our team helps in optimizing each needed resource, and we take action to reduce the effluent stream. Thus, ELODYS helps in the overall reduction in cleaning costs, the increase in equipment's capacity, thus optimizing productivity and capex, and also minimizing the environmental impact of your facilities. How can ELODYS assist you? In boosting your plant's cleaning efficiency. ELODYS helps in audit and engineering, training and coaching, the development of innovative technical solutions. ELODYS with you all the way from design up to the completion of your cleaning costs and impact reduction project. Our team of experts bring you theoretical knowledge and practical skills to handle your cleaning operations and initiate a continual improvement process. We offer 3 innovative solutions to enhance your efficiency. GreenCIP regenerates your cleaning solutions to the point of a permanent reuse. OpticLean to monitor and optimize your cleaning sequencing. CIP to monitor your cleaning operations costs and performances.